Row, row, row your boat so bright, Silver Lake reflects the light, gently drifting side by side with the lake rules of the tide. Fish and ducks swim all around, splashing softly, making sound. Trees reflect upon the lake, every turn a smile to make. Glide along the peaceful scene, waters shimmer calm and clean, Silver Lake reflects so lean. Row, row, row your boat so bright, Silver Lake reflects the light, gently drifting side by side with the lake rules of the tide. Fish and ducks swim all around, splashing softly, making sound. Trees reflect upon the lake, every turn a smile to make. Glide along the peaceful scene, waters shimmer calm and clean, Silver Lake reflects so lean. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, shining brightly from afar. Rocket zooms through space so wide, planets spinning side by side. Comets sparkle as they pass, asteroids like tiny glass. Galaxies swirl in endless night, stars all twinkle with delight. Little astronauts wave hello, past the moon where cool winds blow. Galaxy voyage starts to glow. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, shining brightly from afar. Rocket zooms through space so wide, planets spinning side by side. Comets sparkle as they pass, asteroids like tiny glass. Galaxies swirl in endless night, stars all twinkle with delight. Little astronauts wave hello, past the moon where cool winds blow. Humpty Dumpty sat up high on a tower touching sky. Winds blew gently all around, eggshell wobbled with a sound. Birds flew past with wings so bright, carrying Humpty left and right. Children climbed to help their friend, tower reached the very end. Step by step he made it down, safe again and not a frown. Tower of Venture won renown. Humpty Dumpty sat up high on a tower touching sky. Winds blew gently all around, eggshell wobbled with a sound. Birds flew past with wings so bright, carrying Humpty left and right. Children climbed to help their friend, tower reached the very end. Step by step he made it down, safe again and not a frown. Tower of Venture won renown. Mary had a little lamb, follows her across the farm. Sunshine warms the gentle way, Lamb and Mary laugh and play. Flowers bloom along the trail, butterflies flit without fail. Meadow paths are soft and bright, morning fills them with delight. Every step a joyful cheer, Lamb beside her always near. Sunshine walk was full of cheer. Mary had a little lamb, follows her across Sunshine warms the gentle way. Lamb and Mary laugh.
What a beautiful day to spend with you, little one.
Flowers bloom along the trail. Butterflies flit without fail. Meadow paths are soft and bright. Morning fills them with delight. Every step a joyful cheer. Lamb beside her always near. Sunshine walk was full of cheer. Baba, black sheep, have you any yarn? Golden threads to weave and charm. Through the hills the sheep did run, shining brightly in the sun. Friends all help to guide the way. Every step a joyful day. Knitting blankets, scarves and hats, sharing magic with their cats. Golden yarn glowed soft and bright, every stitch a pure delight. Sheep's great quest was full of light. Baba, black sheep, have you any yarn? Golden threads to weave and charm. Through the hills the sheep did run, shining brightly in the sun. Friends all help to guide the way. Every step a joyful day. Knitting blankets, scarves and hats, sharing magic with their cats. Golden yarn glowed soft and bright, every stitch a pure delight. Sheep's great quest was full. Itsy bitsy spider climbed the tree, up the ladder so carefully. Branches swayed beneath her toes. Sun above began to glow. Friends all cheered as she climbed high, near the clouds up in the sky, reaching treehouse at the top. Spider waved, I'll never stop. Every leaf and branch explored, spider laughed and jumped on board. Treehouse climb a grand reward. Itsy bitsy spider climbed the tree, up the ladder so carefully. Branches swayed beneath her toes. Sun above began to glow. Friends all cheered as she climbed high, near the clouds up in the sky, reaching treehouse at the top. Spider waved, I'll never stop. Every leaf and branch explored, spider laughed and jumped on board. Treehouse climb a grand reward. Polly put the kettle on, steam arose with early dawn. Teacups danced among the flowers, magic scents filled morning hours. Friends all gathered, sipping slow, tea leaves twirled in gentle flow. Laughter echoed through the green, making every face serene. Polly smiled with happy cheer, tea garden sparkled far and near. Polly put the kettle on, steam arose with early dawn. Teacups danced among the flowers, magic scents filled morning hours. Friends all gathered, sipping slow, tea leaves twirled in gentle flow. Laughter echoed through the green, making every face serene. Polly smiled with happy cheer, tea garden sparkled far and near.
Balancín Margarida.
Balanzándose alto sin fallas, nubes abajo y cielo tan ancho. Los niños se balanceaban con orgullo en los columpios. Subieron, bajaron.
Balancín Margarida.
Balanzándose alto se balanceaban con orgullo en los columpios. Subieron, bajaron y dieron balancín margarida. Balanzándose alto sin fallas, nubes abajo y cielo tan ancho. Los niños. Little robin flapped its wings, greeting softly as morning sings. Sunrise painted sky so bright, feathers glimmered in the light. Trees below and flowers near, robin chirped a song of cheer, flying high and swooping low through the breeze and gentle glow. Morning joy was in the air, little birdie everywhere, flock robin pure and Little robin flapped its wings, greeting softly as morning sings. Sunrise painted sky so bright, feathers glimmered in the light. Trees below and flowers near, robin chirped a song of cheer, flying high and swooping low through the breeze and gentle glow. Morning joy was in the air, little birdie everywhere, flock robin pure and fair. Jack be nimble, Jack be quick, evening shadows made him tick. Over candles he would leap, lighted paths before the sleep. Friends all cheered as he flew high, stars appeared in twilight sky, landing softly on the ground, happy laughter all around. Evening breeze and gentle light made each jump a pure delight. Jack was nimble through the night. 23, little boy blue, garden music. Jack be nimble, Jack be quick, evening shadows made him tick. Over candles he would leap, lighted paths before the sleep. Friends all cheered as he flew high, stars appeared in twilight sky, landing softly on the ground, happy laughter all around. Evening breeze and gentle light made each jump a pure delight. Jack was nimble through the night. 23, little boy blue, garden music. Hickory dickory dock, mouse ran up the starry clock. Ticking hands went round and round, stars above made twinkling sound. Down a clock the mouse did slide, through the numbers it would glide. Children laughed to see him go, moonlight casting silver glow. Every tick of hyphal beat, mouse ran fast with tiny feet. Star clock chase was such a treat. Hickory dickory dock, mouse ran up the starry clock. Ticking hands went round and round, stars above made twinkling sound. Down a clock the mouse did slide.
Yay! This is so much fun! I love this game!
See him go, moonlight casting silver glow. Every tick of hyphal beat, mouse ran fast with tiny feet. Star clock chase was such a treat. London Bridge glowed in the sun, lanterns floated one by one. Children cheered along the street, music played a gentle beat. Colors shimmered in the sky, balloons and lights went floating by. Follies waved from every side, boats below the river glide. Every step a joyful cheer, lantern magic bright and near. Sunset parade filled hearts ring cheer. London Bridge glowed in the sun. Lanterns floated one by one. Children cheered along the street. Music played at gentle beat. Colors shimmered in the sky. Balloons and lights went floating by. Follies waved from every side. Box below the river glide. Every step a joyful cheer. Lantern magic bright and near. Sunset parade filled hearts free cheer. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Sunshine sparkle, skies were gray. Flowers danced in colors bright. Bees and butterflies took flight. Children ran with boots so small, splashing puddles by the wall. Petals glistened in the sun. Every bloom a little fun. Rainbows arched above the land. Magic moments close at hand. Flower field day was bright and grand. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Sunshine sparkled, skies were gray. Flowers danced in colors bright. Bees and butterflies took flight. Children ran with boots so small, splashing puddles by the wall. Petals glistened in the sun. Every bloom a little fun. Rainbows arched above the land. Magic moments close at hand. Flower field day was bright. Little Miss Muffet sat in the sun. Picnic basket full of fun. Butterflies flitted all around. Soft green grass beneath the ground. Jam and bread and tea to sip. Honey dripped from every tip. Friendly spider waved hello, joining in the fun below. Laughter echoed through the flowers. Sunny magic filled the hours. Garden picnic joy was ours. Little Miss Muffet sat in the sun. Picnic basket full of fun.
I'm so glad we could have this picnic together.
Me
too, Miss Muffet.
Soft green grass
The cookies are
beneath
delicious.
the ground. Jam and bread and tea to sip. Honey dripped from every tip. Friendly spider waved hello, joining in the fun below. Laughter echoed through the flowers. Sunny magic filled the hours. Garden picnic joy was ours. Pat a cake, baker's bright. Magic swirled in morning light. Flour danced and sugar flew. Ovens hummed with colors new. Cakes and buns all twinkling sweet. Children clapped and tapped their feet. Rolling pins went round and round. Smiles and giggles filled the town. Every treat a sparkling bite. Very fun from morning light. Magic baked till hearts felt right.
This is so
Pat a cake, baker's bright.
Wow, it's
Magic
like magic.
swirled in morning light. Flour danced and sugar flew. Ovens hummed with colors new. Cakes and buns all twinkling sweet. Children clapped and tapped their feet. Rolling pins went round and round. Smiles and giggles filled the 5 little monkeys bounce so high, leaping up into the sky. Clouds below and stars above, laughing, swinging, full of love. One fell down, then all did cheer. Friends climbed up without a fear. Moonlight shining on each face, bouncing through the endless space. Every jump a joyful flight, adventure lasted through the night. Skybound's one was pure. 5 little monkeys bounced so high, leaping up into the sky. Clouds below and stars above, laughing, swinging, full of love. One fell down, then all did cheer. Friends climbed up without a fear. Moonlight shining on each face, bouncing through the endless space. Every jump a joyful flight, adventure lasted through the night. Skybound's one was pure delight. This little piggy ran so fast, through the orchard fair at last. Slides and swings and games to play, friends all laughed along the way. Apples, berries, treats so sweet, piggy raced with happy feet. Children cheered with gleeful sound, joyful giggles all around. Every corner full of fun, sunshine brightened everyone. Orchard fair was second to none. This little piggy ran so fast, through the orchard fair at last. Slides and swings and games to play, friends all laughed along the way. Apples, berries, treats so sweet, piggy raced with happy feet. Children cheered with gleeful sound, joyful giggles all around. Every corner full of fun, sunshine brightened everyone. Orchard fair was second to none. Miss Polly had a dolly dear, bringing comfort, spreading cheer. Healing stars above would shine, lighting up the house divine.
Please stay with us,
Children whispered, Dolly, stay, chasing troubles far away. Soft blankets, gentle light, made the house a cozy sight. Every giggle, every smile, echoed through each caring night. Healing star house bright. Miss Polly had a dolly dear, bringing comfort, spreading cheer. Healing stars above would shine, lighting up the house divine. Children whispered, Dolly, stay, chasing troubles far away. Soft blankets, gentle light, made the house a cozy sight. Every giggle, every smile, echoed through each caring night. Healing star house bright, the well. 3 blind mice ran through the maze, twilight sky with soft pink haze. Twisting paths and leafy walls, echoed laugh and prayful calls. Friends all guided with a hand, helping them through magic land. Every turn a giggling sound, every corner joy was found. Chase went on as night grew near, twilight maze was full of cheer. Blind mice safely reached the clear. 3 blind mice ran through the maze, twilight sky with soft pink haze. Twisting paths and leafy walls, echoed laugh and prayful calls. Friends all guided with a hand, helping them through magic land. Every turn a giggling sound, every corner joy joy was found. Chase went on as night grew near. Twilight maze was full of cheer. Blind might safely reach the clear. Goosey gander walked along through the forest singing a song. Leaves beneath his web feet
Goosey gander,
every
whither
branch
shall
and
I
flower
wander?
bunch.
Upstairs and downstairs and in my lady's chamber.
Rabbits peeked and squirrels waved. Sunlight through the trees ingrained. Friends all followed, trips so bright. Forest paths in morning light. Nature whispered soft and true. Every step a wondrous view. Forest trip was full of you. Goosey gander walked along through the forest singing a song. Leaves beneath his webbed feet crunch every branch and flowering bunch. Rabbits peeked and squirrels waved. Sunlight through the trees ingrained. Friends all followed, trips so bright. Forest paths in morning light. Nature whispered soft and true. Every step a wondrous view. Forest trip was full. Pop goes a weasel round and round. Fun, fair laughter all around. Balloons flew high, colors bright. Spinning wheels in morning light. Children cheered and music played. Every ride a joyous parade. Weasel twirled with tiny hands. Glitter sparkled through the stands. Pop, another balloon took flight. Fun, fair, magic, pure delight. Spin and laughter all the night. Pop goes a weasel round and round. Fun, fair, laughter all around. Balloons flew high, colors bright. Spinning wheels in morning light. Children cheered and music played. Every ride a joyous parade. Weasel twirled with tiny hands. Glitter sparkled through the stands. Pop, another balloon took flight. Fun, fair, magic, pure delight. Spin and laughter all the night. Pop goes a weasel round and round. Fun, fair, laughter all around. Balloons flew high, colors bright. Spinning wheels in morning light. Children cheered and music played. Every ride a joyous parade. Weasel twirled with tiny hands. Glitter sparkled through the stands. Pop, another balloon took flight. Fun, fair, magic, pure delight. Spin and laughter all the night. Hot cross buns baked warm and sweet. Sunrise filled the bakery street. Golden crusts with sugar bright. Filling trays with morning light. Steam rose softly from the pan. Children clapped as best they can. Sprinkles twinkled all around. Every bun a joy they found. Warm and soft and fresh to taste. Happiness could not be chased. Bakery morning joy embrace.
Hot cross buns.
Hot cross buns baked warm and sweet. Sunrise filled the bakery street. Golden crusts with sugar bright. Filling trays with morning light. Steam rose softly from the pan. Children clapped as best they can. Sprinkles twinkled all around. Every bun a joy they found. Warm and soft and fresh to taste. Happiness could not be chased. Bakery morning joy embraced. Wee Willie Winky ran with care. Lanterns glowing through the air. Tiptoeing past each sleeping home. Guiding light through streets they roam. Stars above shone bright and near, helping dreams to appear clear. Children slept while Winky ran, lighting paths with gentle plan. Every step a shining star, running safely near and far. Star path, night run, magic spar. Wee Willie Winky Winky ran with care, lanterns glowing through the air, tiptoeing past each sleeping home, guiding light through streets they roam. Stars above shone bright and near, helping dreams to appear clear. Children slept while Winky ran, lighting paths with gentle plan. Every step a shining star, running safely near and far. Star path, night run, magic spark. To market, carts rolled slow through village lanes where soft breezes blow. Children hopped aboard with glee, riding gently far and free. Baskets filled with treats and toys, bringing laughter and pure joy. Sunlight sparkled on each tree, magic glimmered happily. Every turn our child for blight, every path a gentle ride, every lane ride full of pride. To market, carts rolled slow through village lanes where soft breezes blow. Children hopped aboard with glee, riding gently far and free. Baskets filled with treats and toys, bringing laughter and pure joy. Sunlight sparkled on each tree, magic glimmered happily. Every turn our child for blight, every path a gentle ride, every lane ride full of pride.